Have you ever wondered how some people manage to bounce back from adversity while others remain stuck in their misfortunes? This is where the power of resilience comes into play. Resilience, my friends, is not about avoiding the storm. It's about learning to dance in the rain. It's about embracing the challenges, the setbacks, and using them as stepping stones to climb higher. Let's consider the story of a woman named Jane. Jane lost her job, her home, and her sense of security all in one fell swoop. But did she let this define her? No. Instead, she used this as an opportunity to reinvent herself, to build something out of nothing. Jane's resilience was not a magic shield protecting her from life's hardships, but a sword she wielded to carve her path through them. Resilience, it turns out, is not a trait that people either have or do not have. It involves behaviors, thoughts, and actions that anyone can learn and develop. So, how can you develop resilience and rebuild your life after a setback? The first step is to acknowledge and accept the situation. It's difficult but vital. You can't change what's happened, but you can decide how you respond. Acceptance doesn't mean resignation. It means understanding that you're on a new path, and that's okay. The second step is to seek support. You're not alone in this journey. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals. They can provide a listening ear, a shoulder to lean on, or practical advice. Don't be afraid to lean on others when you need to. Next, focus on the things that are within your control. You can't control everything, and that's okay. But there are things you can control, like your attitude, your actions, and your responses. Concentrate on these areas and let go of the rest. Then set realistic goals. Small steps can lead to big changes. Start with simple, achievable goals. As you reach each one, you'll gain confidence and momentum. Finally, practice self-care. This might mean taking time for hobbies, getting regular exercise, or simply ensuring you get enough sleep. It's not selfish to take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. In fact, it's essential. Above all, remember that patience and persistence are key. This process won't happen overnight. It's a journey, and each journey is unique. Remember, rebuilding is not a race. It's a journey. It's about finding strength in adversity, embracing change, and emerging stronger than ever. To sum up, resilience is not about avoiding adversity, but about learning how to deal with it. We've journeyed together through understanding the power of resilience and the practical steps to rebuild your life after setbacks. Remember, resilience is about embracing change, finding strength in adversity, and emerging stronger. It's about self-discovery and personal growth. As the saying goes, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Embrace the journey and remember you are stronger than you think.